COVID-19 Gamo Appeal Flash Update. Hi. Once again, we thank you all for your support to this appeal. We're very happy to announce that we're now able to extend the closure of the appeal to midnight August 20, 2020. We hope that this will encourage you all to keep sharing the appeal and for others to contribute to this important venture. Despite the challenges they are experiencing, community members are fully engaged in the season's agricultural work, living in temporary shelters to avoid facing hunger, and are reclaiming their fields that have been affected by the recent landslides. The main road from the capital has been closed due to disturbances in the central region, and this has temporarily disrupted public transport and delivery of much-needed supplies. Despite these issues, the Gamo Development Association, with support of local communities, has been able to erect temporary shelters for affected families and has distributed extra clothing and blankets to the needy. We could not provide you with exact figures and images due to the disruption of internet services that followed the recent disturbances in which Gamo too were affected. In the meantime, we hope you have enjoyed the pictures posted with this message that show examples of the traditional house building, pottery of the Gamo people, and the Machala leather mat we bring from our Dauro neighbors. We thank you again for your support and will keep you updated on developments in the field. Namaste Gnalen Tosimo.